Hello and welcome to week 1 of Shaw Online University's English 111 online class. Yes, okay, so this class officially starts on Wednesday the 10th, and we're going to get started as if today was Wednesday. Yay! Okay, so what are the goals for this week? We're going to introduce ourselves to the discussion forum, we're going to review the syllabus, and there are readings in Odigia. What? How do we do this? Okay, we'll walk you through it. Okay. Also, the items to do, watch the weekly video. Well, you're watching that right now, so congratulations. That's a good start. The other things that are going to be done this week are you're going to submit the signed student acknowledgement form. I'll show you how to do that. You're going to watch a video on plagiarism. I'll show you how to do that. You're going to take the quiz on plagiarism. Yeah, I'll show you how to do that. And you're going to introduce yourself in the discussion forum. All these are due by Friday night, January 10th, by 11:55 p.m. So again, in this class, every Friday, we only have one day that things are due, and that's every Friday. And so you can go ahead and get, none of these are going to take very long. I'm just telling you. So you can pop this out in about an hour, if that. So that's the thing. So these are, but again, every Friday night, you got to just plant that in your brain. I have something due for English online. Yes. Okay. So again, you're watching the week 1 video. So next is the student acknowledgement form. Okay. Well, yeah, I'll also need to read the syllabus. So here's the syllabus right here. Again, the syllabus is found here, and it is also found up there. That has, we won't spend any time going through that. You can read that at your leisure. It has the rules for this class. But again, once again, it was noted in a previous video, late papers are not accepted for this class. So if you have something due on Friday and you go to turn it in on Saturday, it's an automatic 0. Boom, boom, boom. Yes, same with the quizzes. So you have a quiz this week, just make sure you take it before Friday night. If you have plans on Friday night, do it Thursday, do it Friday morning, heck, do it Wednesday night, doesn't really matter. Get it done sometime before Friday. Alright, so the student acknowledgement forms are found right here. So what you're going to do is to read this, and actually it's the same with the syllabus, you just click on this link. You just click right here, click, and it'll download the form. Now this form, actually, I've got 2 screens, so I'm going to pop it up here so you can look at it. So here's the form, yay! Okay, so there's actually, there's 2 forms here. There's one that I have for myself, and then one that I have for students. So you're like, well, how am I supposed to do this? What am I supposed to do? Okay, well, you are taking an online class, so you're supposed to have at least some basic knowledge of technology, as noted in one of the previous videos. So you're going to print these 2 pages. Yes, you're going to print these 2 pages, and you're going to sign them, okay? Sign and you date. Sign and you date. So you read through these and you say, I understand the rules for this class, and you sign a date. Now, understand, like, for example, attendance is taken at the scheduled time. This is for, that's for a face-to-face class, so that doesn't really, that's not really valid for this class per se. But everything else is going to be fine. Okay, so you're going to print these, you're going to sign them. Okay, now, once you're done doing that, then you're going to submit them. Okay? Now, you need to submit them. Now, how are you going to submit them? Well, if you have a scanner, great. Go ahead and scan the copies and submit the files. If you don't have a scanner, most people have cell phones. Take pictures with your cell phone, save those pictures as files, and then upload them. And how you upload them is you click on this link right here. Okay. Alrighty. And then you're going to add a submission. Okay, add a submission. And then you would actually then just drag and drop. You can either search for your, search your computer for the files and then upload it, or you can just drag and drop the files from, let's see, if you just like this, you just do this, like that. Okay, and then you can save changes. You can do a maximum of 4 attachments. So if you have 2 pictures, 1 for each page, that's fine. And then you'd hit save changes. And then boom, that's how you've uploaded it. Okay? Now note, a student will earn a 0 in this class until both pages are signed and received. That means until I get both pages, you will have a 0 as your final grade. And as soon as I get your pages, I will get rid of that 0 and your grade will be whatever you're earning at the time. But it's important that you do these. Okay? Alright, so that's the student acknowledgement forms. So again, quick, easy way to get back to the week that we're working on is just click over here. Okay. So again, you click on this, download those forms, print them, sign them, and then you're going to upload them here. Okay? Boom. One of the easier things you're going to have to do this semester. If you're like, oh, technology, well, maybe if you're struggling with this part right here, maybe reconsider taking an online class because, yeah, you're doing stuff online. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, next thing you got to do is watch a plagiarism video. Again, so you're watching this video by just clicking on it. Okay, you do the same thing. You just click on that thing right there, and it will have you watch the video on plagiarism. It's not very long. When you're done watching the video, then you'll take the quiz. Okay, the quiz you can take up to 2 times, and the highest score counts. So take the quiz. You just click on the quiz. Okay, you hit attempt quiz now, and then it gives you, oh wow, there's a whole 5 whole questions. Okay, you just answer the questions and then hit finish attempt, and then it will rate it. If you did not get 100% the first time around, take it again because the highest score counts. See how that works? Yeah. Okay. And by the way, every time you access a quiz, it randomizes the questions and the order of the questions and the answers inside the questions. So you can't just write down 1 is A, 2 is B, 3 is C, and tell all your friends and neighbors now because it's different every time. Last but not least for this week is the discussion. Well, actually, there's a reading we have to do. I'll remind you how to do that. The discussion is right down here. So discussion, who are you? So for this one, you just click on the discussion board, add a new discussion topic, and then you just say, maybe your name, Jason Morgan, that's me. And then I'll tell you this little, a little about yourself. What are you studying? What are your interests? What are your experiences writing? What else would you like to share? If you want to, you can share a picture of yourself. You don't have to. But anything you want to share, keep it clean. Again, Baptist college, so keep it Baptist, Christian friendly. And then you would just hit post to form. Okay, and that's the goal, is just to post to the form. So again, I'm not actually doing any of these things. I will post something for you to read at some point in time. Okay, now every week also we're going to have readings from our textbook. Our textbook again is this digital thing called Odigia. Odigia. It's kind of a weird word. Okay, where's the textbook? I don't remember. Well, again, it's the top of the page. So if you just click here, your textbook is right here. So for week 1, if you just click on the little puzzle piece thing here, it'll open up this page and it says, hey, we want to go to a new window for Odigia, the textbook. And then we want to go to English 111, and that's this class right there, 111. It may look a little different once I'm done messing with it. And then you hit open course. Okay. And then here's the readings for week 1. So the goals are to learn what constitutes plagiarism, to learn why it's important to avoid plagiarism in writing. So this one's pretty easy. You just click on this, and then that's where the reading is. So you just click on that little thing, and there's the reading. Yeah, not too bad, huh? So this, again, just explains. I'm not one for having you read a whole big, huge textbook stuff. I'm just trying to give you the information you need to be successful in the class. So you read through this, and when you're done, you would click on that the reading is completed, and then it shows you, hey, look, your core concepts is done, are done for that. Yay! So then when you go back to the course, it'll actually show you that week 1 is done. See how that works? Pretty neat. So this is the textbook. Again, I'm still working on putting the textbook together, but it'll be as week 1, week 2, week 3, and so forth. So it'll be very clear on the different things that you're supposed to be reading. So that's the plan, at least. Okay, so let's go back to our online class. So that's it for week 1. Pretty straightforward. So again, what's week 1? So again, if you just kind of follow these things, and then the stuff is down here, read through this. Again, it's an online class. Week 1's not too hard. You're gonna get some stuff. Week 2, we'll start getting into more about what the class is about, but that's really what's going on. So, all right, now go ahead and get week 1 done, and you're off to the races. Yay!